হ্যালো স্টুডেন্ট, ওয়েলকাম টু WBSS টেকনো স্টাডি। তো ফিজিক্যাল জিওগ্রাফি, পেডোলজি অ্যান্ড সয়েল জিওগ্রাফি অ্যান্ড এগ্রিকালচার পার্ট 2। তো কিছু কোশ্চেন আমি ডিসকাস করব। তো চলো দেখে নেওয়া যাক। 11 নম্বর কোশ্চেন কি বলছে, দ্য স্যালিনেশন অফ সয়েল ইজ কজড বাই। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, excess of irrigation of the salination of the soil is the caused by. 11 number question, explanation, soil of salinity is the credit of content in the soil. The process of the increasing of the salt content known as the salination of the excess to irrigation to lead of the increase of the soil salinity since to water to absorbed by plants and the salt and the left behind the soil of the eventually they begin to accumulate. Salination of the from irrigation water also greatly to increase by pour of the drainage and use the saline water and the irrigation of the agriculture crops. Next question. 12 number question কি বলছে, the black soil is also known as by which of the following the name? Number A, Kadas soil. Number B, of the fungus soil. Number C, alluvial soil. Number D, regus soil. This is the question, that option that is the correct. Number D, regus soil, the black soil also known by which is the name? 12 number question, explanation, black soil and often to refer to as regur but to popularly known as the black cotton soil since of the cotton has been to most common traditional crop in areas to white to then found black soil in the derivation of the trap to lava and are spread mostly across to interior of the Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh on the decline of the lava plateau and Malwa plateau. Next question. 13 number question কি বলছে, the transfer of minerals from the top soil of subsoil through the soil water is called. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, leaching, the transfer of the mineral of the from the top soil of the subsoil through the soil water in this called. 13 number question, explanation, leaching of the river to the loss and water of the soluble plant to nutrition from the soil due to rain of the irrigation as water from the rain of the flooding others to source and seep of the ground. It can be dissolved chemical of the carry them of the underground of the water supply to mineral nutrients of the soil system become to unable of the planet uptake. Next question. 14 number question কি বলছে, bamboo is of the classified as. Number A, tree. Number B, of the grass. Number C, of the shrub. Number D, herb. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, grass is a bamboo is of the classified. 14 number question, explanation, bamboo are in the subfamily Bambusaceae in the following of the perennial of the evergreen of the plants in the grass of family. Poaceae and the giant of the bamboos are two largest member of the grass family. The woody bamboos share two characteristics with the herbaceous to non-woody grasses, notably to lead to blades of that is have to disinactive internal organization of the tissue, which are the basically to narrow it from the salt to like connection without the leaf of the shade. Next question. 15 number question কি বলছে, the alluvial soil are rich soil for the crop cultivation but are poor in. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, nitrogen and humans to alluvial soil in the rich of soil for the crop of cultivation. 14 number question, explanation, to alluvial soil are to fertile soil and composed to sediment of the deposit by the river of the waves. However, to usually to deficient of the nitrogen and humus. Nitrogen deficiency is the main limiting of the factor of the crop production. All the alluvial soil of the expect to calories of the saline alkyl alluvial soil with the substitute irrigation to fertilizer proper to agriculture practice to alluvial soil and generally very fertile. Next question. 16 number question কি বলছে, in which of the region the terrace farming of done? Number A, dry regions. Number B, slope of hills. Number C, mountain tops. Number D, of the rooftops. A 4 option is the correct. Number B, slope of the hill, in which of the region to trust of the farming of the done? 16 number question, explanation. To trace of farming is the practice of the cutting of the flat of areas to out of the hilly and mountains of the landscape order to grow and crop. It if the involves to growing to crop onto side of the hill of the mountain by planting graduate to trace of the bill into slope on each level to various crop are to planted. Next question. 70 number question কি বলছে the remedies to soil erosion are number 1 contour bounding, number 2 regulation of the land use, number 3 cutting of the tree, number 4 allowing the grazing of the animals. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B 1 and 2 the contour of bounding of regulation of the land use, the remedies of the soil erosion. 70 number question, explanation. To cutting of tree, deforestation to and grazing of animals are the sum of the measure of the contribute of the soil erosion. Contour bounding of the traditional law and cast method and soil and conservation is suitable to sloping land. It is the promotes water of the retention of the hill. They prevent erosion to similarly to regulation to land use and measure to impact to a natural resource including water, soil, nutrition of the plant and animals. Next question. 80 number question কি বলছে the Asha grey soil and high latitude to coniferous forest are known as number A Thunda soil, number N podosols, number C grey and bronze soil, number D red and yellow soil. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B podosoil, the ascent to grey soil to high latitude and coniferous and forest. 80 number question, explanation. Podosol and to ash to grey to color to soils and that found in the high latitude coniferous forest but built to having to very long and cold winters to short cool and summer and moderate and precipitation of the source out in the year. This is the soil and acidic to interfertile and limited of the agriculture. This is the useful dairying of the mixed of the framing. Next question. 90 number question কি বলছে who of the following has given the term of the rhizosphere? Number A Great, number Alexopoulos, number C Hiltner, number D none of the given option. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C Hiltner, the following two has to given the term of the rhizosphere. 90 number question, explanation. To Lawrence Hiltner is the recognized as the first scientist to coin the term of the rhizosphere in 1904. The word of the derived from and the Greek and rhiza to meaning to root and spear meaning the infill influence. Hiltner to define to rhizosphere to as the zone and soil immediately to adjacent to ligam root, the support to high level to bacterial activity. Next question. 20 number question কি বলছে the soil which are rich and calcium are known as. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A pedogels, the soil the rich of the calcium are known as. 20 number question, explain. The pedogel and soil is the characterized by of the abundance of the calcium carbonate and the calcium oxide. The pedogels are the common in the arid to semi-arid regions to where to rate evaporation is a great and then to rate of the leaching of the heat also soil organic matter. So physical geography chapter pedology and soil agriculture এর পার্ট 2 এই 10টি কোশ্চেন এরকম থাকলো, এ পর্যন্ত থাকলো। যদি ভিডিওটা ভালো লাগে থাকে তো লাইক করো, কমেন্ট করো, বন্ধুদের সাথে শেয়ার করো। আর যারা নতুন আছো তাদের উদ্দেশ্যে বলছে প্লিজ চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করো। সাবস্ক্রাইব নাম WBCS টেকনো স্টাডি ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। তো আজকের মতন এখানে শেষ। নমস্কার।